Nothing is like a good plate of pasta. It's comforting, it's filling, and it's oh so delicious. And I assume many people will agree, noting the average American eats nearly 9 kilograms of pasta a year. That's a lot of pasta. And today we're making a delicious one. We're making a vegan bolognese pasta made from red lentils and a twist on an Italian margarita. So stay tuned and let's get started. The bolognese sauce or ragu originated in Italy and it's a meat-based sauce. But do not worry, this sauce is going to have just as much flavor than the meat-based one. Now, I'm using a meat alternative, using the Beyond Spicy Italian. This is super good without it. You do not have to use a meat alternative if you don't want to. But first, what we're going to do, we're going to chop our veggies. We have onion, celery, garlic, and baby portobello mushroom. Once you're done dicing all your veggies, you're going to add your veggies to a large pot over medium heat and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until they are translucent. Once you do that, it's time to rinse off your red lentils. You need to wash your lentils, get all of the dirt and debris. Wash it like you're washing your body, all of your body. Wash them until they are clean, until the water runs clear. You're going to add in your veggie meat and all your seasonings. We have basil, thyme, oregano, our red lentils, our tomato paste, which is a key ingredient, some mushroom bouillon, and we add that into our pot, and I'm going to let that cook for about an hour. Now, I add the salt towards the end because I want to let these flavors, I want the flavors to marry, to get to know each other. I want them to flavor. Now, towards the end, we're going to add a half a cup of vegan cream cheese. While the sauce cooks over here, right there, we're going to make our pasta. I'm using fettuccine. Now you can mainly use whatever pasta you would like. However, this is a thick consistency sauce, so I wouldn't do anything that is thin, that cannot handle the weight of this pasta. So I wouldn't do anything like angel hair, but you can use gnocchi or a rigatoni or a nice ravioli. Ooh, you can even put this in a lasagna. I bet it's magnificent in a lasagna. If you do that, please send me pictures on my Instagram or on any social media. If you're going to do that, I want to see your creation. Once you drain your pasta, you're going to plate it up like so. Forget that little bloop right there. See, boop boop, it's clean. We're going to sprinkle on some dried parsley and our fave nutritional yeast, and a voila. Let's get started on our drink. We are making a rendition of the Italian margarita. What is an Italian margarita? It uses tequila, but it also adds a liqueur, amaretto, to give it this smooth, sophisticated layer to it. So let's get started. The first step of making this drink, you're going to take a lime wedge, and you're going to circle around the rim of the cup. After we rim the glass, we're going to salt the rim. Once you've rimmed your cup with salt, you're going to take your Boston shaker and add ice. You're going to add 2 ounces of orange juice, 1 ounce of pomegranate juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of amaretto, and you're going to shake this. Shake, 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 shake. It's time to put up. Yeah. Watch it all fall out. And there you have it, Jazza-Belles and Jazza-Beaus. This delicious meal and drink that you can make on a weeknight, on a date night, by me, myself, and I night. It's time to go, my friends. And like I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, and always stay you, my friends. Cheers.